Wow, this day has finally come, thank you God. I just put out my very first course. It's called Beginner Bodyweight Basics. And it took me so long to finally put this out because I got a business coach many, many years ago, and I wanted to take my business, I wanted to take my fitness, I wanted to take everything to the next level, and I needed a framework of how to do that. Even though I know a lot of people from the beginning of the early 2000s have been creating a lot of fitness stuff, but I wanted to put my own take on it, and I really pride myself on what I do. I pride myself on creating excellent workouts, awesome programs, and the way I teach, how I communicate, how I educate people on how to do things, and all that's included in this course. So like I said, I started down this path almost 4 years ago at the shooting of this video, and it took me 2 years to create something, and I still have it. The program's pretty much done, but it was too hard. And one of the things that kind of irked me was that in my FAQs it said, is this a program for beginners? Yes, it is, but really it wasn't like the true beginner. And so it drove me crazy because you needed to already have some previous exercise history or workout experience to actually successfully do well with that, because I'll kid you not, it's pretty challenging. 45-day program, 45 minutes, crushing the workout, like barely any rest breaks, like it's intense. So I wanted to create something from ground zero where if you've never worked out and you're brand new to exercise, or you're a client or friend or family member that I sent here to watch this, this is for you because it doesn't require any equipment, it's body weight only. Okay, and it's 20-minute workouts. You have 20-minute workouts, and it follows a lot of my YouTube format where I have these free workouts, which I highly recommend you check out first. 45 seconds of work, 15-second rest break in between, and we're gonna have some cardio included in between. But I'm super proud to bring you this because it's been a long time coming, and I wanted to create something that's gonna last a lifetime. And so this is a digital course, and you get lifetime access to it. That's the beauty of it. So when I make any future updates or any changes to it, you'll be notified of it first. And if you have any feedback or any changes that you want me to make in the course, well, you can leave a comment down below here, or you can check out the course, and once you're enrolled and you join the community and join the family I'm creating, you can leave me feedback and suggestions inside these videos and how I can make changes, update the course, and make it even better. See, I'm completely here for you, and I'm thankful. Like God, I thank God for everything, and I thank all of my clients, my friends, family members, every single person on YouTube who's commented on any one of my videos. The feedback, good or bad, criticism, good or bad, it's all helped me make me a better coach and trainer. I've had over 20 years of experience working out myself, where I feel a lot of people online, they work out themselves and they put out stuff. But why did I wait so long to put out a course? Like, if you knew my very first YouTube video was 2007, but then I kind of got away from it because I worked at a corporate club and I was just training. I was like, this is good. I don't need to make these YouTube videos. And technically I should have kept going, but I was maybe not fearful, but I was worried that it wasn't good enough and the information I'm putting out wasn't right. So now I've got 15 years of coaching experience at shooting in this video, working out over 20 years, but that's not made me the best trainer, and not even like the certifications, the fitness seminars, the personal trainers, the business coaches, people I've hired to help me, my massage therapist, the stretching techniques I've learned, all the 6-7 week courses I've done, none of that matters. It's actually working with clients in person in a studio like this and training people that have issues, have problems, have mobility issues, people that have never worked out, people that have never trained before, the brand new person that never set foot in a gym. All of those people have given me the experience and given me the knowledge of how to work with new people. And that's why I feel confident that I could have this course that I'm able to put out right now that you can potentially join and be a part of. I would love to have you here. But in all honesty, I don't want you to just watch this video for the very first time and do it. No, please don't do this course. Don't join the family. Don't get into the community immediately. Please, to make sure you're actually gonna stick here and you don't want refunds, I want you to watch all of my other free content first. Get to know me a little bit more, like what I do. If you like what I have to say, you like my training style, you like the techniques and the tips I give out, then at your own will, you can join the course, you can join the community, you can join the family, and you can be a part of this, be part of something greater, because I want to build a really nice community where everybody can comment, leave feedback, leave suggestions, and how we can make this better. I'm starting with the Beginner Bodyweight Basics, which this is what this course is. Basically, Basically, it's 3 days of workouts, 20 minutes long. We're gonna have a little bit of cardio in between those days. I'll explain that all in the course details. But this is gonna be ground zero. This is the baseline of how to do all of my other future content, because I wanted to start from scratch here, somewhere where you can begin, and I'm gonna layer and build more content. So the Beginner Bodyweight Basics course is gonna have this fundamentals course, some standalone workouts, some mobility exercises, some nutrition tips, things like that. And I'm gonna add in more as we go along. I don't have a lot of nutrition included yet, but what I will do is I'm gonna link a video to one of the nutrition videos I put out, I believe in 2020, of some tips and tricks and techniques of the 10 top things that I would do if I was a beginner. Basically nutrition, diet and nutrition for beginners. So watch that video. That's gonna give you a lot of education around nutrition, okay? But like I said, this is where you start. And then I will add on some more beginner body weight exercises. I might have 2 or 3 or 4 more layers to this course. And then eventually I'll have something completely different. I'm gonna do dumbbells. I'm gonna have beginner, intermediate, advanced. Same thing with the body weight. I'll have intermediate and advanced body weight moves. Then I'm gonna build on lastly where I'm gonna have my baby, my really awesome program. And it may be out sooner than later, but I wanted to make sure I have something where you can start before you do all the hard stuff. And so if you join me on this journey now and join the family, you're gonna be able to do this as many years as I'm alive. I wanna keep making this a thing. I wanna keep building courses. I love it. If I could do anything for the rest of my life, it's just building really cool courses and content for fitness and nutrition and training and just elaborating on it because I love it so much. I'm so passionate about it. If you know my background and my story, if you've watched my YouTube trailer video, I was the out of shape fat kid, right? I was picked on, made fun of. I didn't have the best genetics and out of shape, right? And it took me so long to get here to finally, have the energy, have the stamina, build a better body. I mean, I went through hell and high water to get here. And that's why I'm so happy if you're following me along in this journey. And you're starting your journey with me. I'm just grateful to have you here. So again, thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Click the notification bell so you always stay in tune with some of my latest content. Also, more importantly, if you want to check out what I have to offer in this Beginner Bodyweight Basics course, you can click that link down in the description, and right below that, I'm gonna put my diet and nutrition tips for beginners because that's something that's very important. You can do all the workouts and training in the world, but if you're not following the right nutrition, which is my slogan, nutrition first, training second, your body's not gonna show it. You're gonna feel better, you're gonna move better, but you're not gonna look better because the nutrition's not there. So I wanna make sure you're getting the quality nutrients and you're fueling your body correctly so you can exercise and perform at your best, okay? So again, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I'm so happy I finally got this course out. I'm so happy to bring it to you. Just very excited. And I can't wait to see you checking out some of my other content, check out some of my other videos. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to comment down below. Leave me a comment, leave me a suggestion. How can I improve the channel? How can I make the course better? How can I serve you better? Because I'm here for you.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have been much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to speak, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on a flag. I sail this ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, I'm like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast.
It never changed my